Okay, here is a Casablanca California Zephyr in Glossy Black at Ceiling Fan Man 96's house. And it has a halogen starlight kit on it.
Tag is actually not visible from the light on there.
Fan is a little greasy, as he told me it originally came out of a kitchen. Okay, if you want to turn the light on. Okay, now you can go to speed 1. Just for reference to the viewers, he's working the IntelliTouch control while I'm holding my phone to videotape.
With the light on or off?
It can be off. The lighting is fine.
I think this is from 1989 if I'm remembering right.
And speed 2. And apparently this fan had quite the troubled history with flywheel replacements, bearing replacements, and motor issues as well. With some, well, you know, every fan has its story, and sometimes it's a struggle to get them working, but it's working now, so that's all that matters, I suppose. You can go to 3. Four, please.
Yeah, you can see the bearings are not the greatest because of the new motor I had to put in it. They're kind of hissing a bit. Typical Astrofin.
Yeah, their bearings are microscopic compared to the Emerson motors. You can go to speed 5 now.
Now, if I was smart, I would have changed the bearings out when I had it apart, but after all the trouble I've been through with it, I was just like, heck with it. But now looking back on it, I should have done that.
You can go to 6.
Yeah, you can hear the bearings in there are a bit clunky and everything.
Lighting keeps varying because of the overcast outside. Yeah, bearings aren't the best, but you know, I've definitely heard worse. And otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. It's well balanced.
I'll turn the light on here.
You can turn it off if you want. And there you go. Casablanca California Zephyr in Glossy Black.